family, this is Shirley coming to you with a small Dollar Tree haul. How are you guys doing? It is April. I cannot believe that the first quarter of the year is already out the way. I might as well come up with trying to figure out what I'm supposed to be doing for Christmas now, because it's just moving right along. 2018 is not playing with nobody. Hopefully a lot of people were able to accomplish goals. And if y'all hear the vacuum in the back, I do apologize. It is my children cleaning their room. So if you hear that, I apologize. I hope you guys are enjoying the month of April. I'm here moving along with life, and I just had a cookout, and I went to Dollar Tree for the cookout and didn't even use the items. They're still here, and the cookout is over. I'm inside the house already. I'm tired. I'm exhausted, and I decided to do this now because I want to put the things, all of the items I got from Dollar Tree away. It's not a lot, so the main reason for this trip was because I wanted to get some really nice paper plates, and also had to get chalk for my youngest son's chalkboard so that he could use that for ABA. So definitely stay tuned. I do apologize for the noise you'll hear through the bags. It's not a lot, and let's get right into it. How are you guys doing? How is life? How's everything coming along? I'm doing pretty well. I'm just, yeah, I'm getting ready for yeah, I have to already think of July now, so we're setting up reservations for our trip for the summer for the kids, and really excited about that. And yeah, so we're thrilled about that. Can't wait. What are you guys doing for the summer? Go ahead and drop that down below. All right, here I found this in a really awkward section of Dollar Tree. Actually, they have a not the standard part where all of the paper plates and, you know, tablecloths and cups are, you know, organized and set up. These probably are items that are seasonal, like seasonal plates and napkins that are festive. And they had this over by the arts and craft. So it was a very small section, and they had like little different types of things. And I picked up this super cute flamingo plate I was supposed to use today, but I'll have another cookout, of course, outside in a couple of weeks. So this wasn't a bum, and I had got the napkins to go with it, and I thought this would have just been awesome to have outside while the kids were in the pool. So I had to grab those. Also, when I got some sandwich bags. This one has the 65 in it. I found, my son was watching this over the weekend, so it was quite surprising to find the black car. I forgot the car's name, but this is my youngest son's favorite movie to watch right now, so I was thrilled to find this. And I also got Frozen. This one has 63, so we'll see how he'll do with this. So that's this bag here. I'm going to keep everything in the bag. Alright. Also went and got some of the cotton rounds. I ran out, so I'm glad I got this for myself. And I got this for downstairs. This is a really good antibacterial soft cleaning hand wash that I always pick up, and mouthwash. Also picked up a coloring book for my youngest son, Dinosaur. He loves dinosaurs, so definitely he's into coloring, and he's just at the phase where he's trying to color the walls, and I am not having it, so got to stay on top of him when he has crayons and markers in his hand, which I cannot deal with right now. So yeah, he's into coloring. Alright. I got some straws. Always I make smoothies every morning, so I ran out, and Dollar Tree had some straws, so I picked them up. My green smoothie with kales and spinach. So I got beets now because I love beets. And what else did I put in there? Probiotics, ginger, garlic, which is really good, not all the time, and turmeric. I also got chalk. It comes with 16 in a pack, and this is what my son is writing his name on the chalkboard downstairs. So he's been practicing writing out his name. I also got him Hot Wheels and Matchbox. My 2 youngest sons picked this out for him. If he does anything really good or accomplishes something very well, he gets those. It's his favorite thing is to have little toy, you know, Hot Wheels and things of that nature as a prize. And you guys, I think that's it. Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah, that is it. I had 3 bags and I am done. And you guys, that was my small little Dollar Tree haul of knickknacks here and there. And I hope you guys are enjoying the month of April. You guys continue on being a blessing to others, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.